Starting. Hi Bujji, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Bujji, wish you a very happy birthday.
Thanks for the ఇదేంటిది క్రీమ్స్ అయినా నీ చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇచ్చిన అప్పులకి ఆ మాత్రం చేయగలవే నా కోసం. ఇంకా నీ గురించి కొంచెం మంచిగా మాట్లాడే ట్రై చేస్తాం ఇవాళ మేము. షాక్ బాగా అమ్మ కూడా కొంచెం ఇన్పుట్స్ ఇస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు. చెప్పండి నాకు యాజ్ అ కిడ్.
Okay, it's easy to talk about a son who is successful. But the difficult part is refraining from taking all the credit from him. That's the difficult part. I mean, to be fair to this guy, he's been quite an energetic kid. And
hell lot notorious.
I mean notorious, of course, many kids are. He was, in the early ages as normal as any next door boy. But
not to forget his aspiration to become SPN. Principal promise చేశాడు.
Yeah, but I would say that he was a normal kid, but above normal, energetic, and he seemed to be doing everything in a hurry, hasty way. Okay. And all the credit for bringing him up in early years should go to my wife.
Amma, video charge pattu.
Okay, so few things which strike our the boy was quite sure from very young age, though we didn't observe it in our obsession to get push him for more marks, but he always knew what he wanted, and he worked just as much to achieve that. And his report card always surprised us. Maybe we have underestimated him.
One more lucky part was you always used to go.
So he always did his best in the final exams.
కళ్ళు తిరుగుతున్నాయి.
అమ్మ ఎందుకు కొట్టింది పాపని మిక్సీ.
To my credit, I should say that I didn't try to influence him much. That was the best part, I think.
In any way అంటారా?
Yeah, and he hardly used to miss classes when he went to the higher secondary. And and
ఆయన చూసి
and
అమ్మ ఇటు కెమెరా ఇటు.
That's what I think he was quite attentive in classes, because he used to put minimal work at home, and entire family, including his grandparents, failed him to
make him study
beyond 10 anytime.
Early morning especially.
Early morning waking him was a Herculean task. I would achieve my sales targets, but this was the most difficult part. Yeah.
మా అమ్మ తాతయ్య అందరు కొట్టారుగా.
Yeah, but we could never make it. So he
including amma.
He always got his way. So only person he is scared of in the entire family and relatives, I think, his mom. Yeah, and enjoy your birthday and take care.
Party lot.
You party a lot. And I'm sure 2012 will bring whatever you want to
with
get.
Divya.
Okay, bye.
Bye.